Essentials of barista training: how to steam your milk perfectly. Hi, I am Rutvik and I am going to demonstrate how to texture your milk correctly. So texture your milk correctly, there are certain steps that we need to follow. We have to aerate the milk, that is we have to add air using the steam. We have to swirl the milk or whirlpool the milk so that the bigger bubbles that are formed break into smaller bubbles. And during the same phase there is stretching of milk that happens. Your milk rises in volume because it is developing all that froth, all that creamy texture. So the certain steps that we need to follow are: first, you need to always purge your steam wand. After that, it is a 3-step process where you add the pitcher, where you give it an angle and you start the steam. Now we need to remember that whenever we are steaming the milk, our hand should be touching the pitcher always. Once you feel that it is hot enough that you can't touch it anymore, that is the perfect time you have to switch off the steam valve. So let me demonstrate all the steps that I have explained you, and let's see how the milk texturing is done. As we go through it, I am going to again repeat all the steps so that we never forget all the steps that are needed to be done to get a great silky smooth milk. Is always to purge the steam wand. After we purge it, we pull it towards our body. We take the pitcher, we load the pitcher. So this is step number 1. After this, from the center we give it a gentle angle. This is the step number 2. Once you achieve this angle, the tip should be half in, half out. After this is done, we let the steam flow. As this is happening, the milk is swirling, breaking the bigger bubbles into smaller ones. Once my hand starts to feel the milk is hot enough, I gently switch off the steam wand, removing the pitcher. And this is the most important step. We have to clean the steam wand and purge it again. And following these very simple steps is how you get a creamy, silky textured milk. Thank you.